After about now, then your guy Pidgin Academy 9 day for years. So now we do want to quickly say one change Mr. Beast logo where they over here. This one they boring. One make a make it more interesting. One will make a make look more realistic. Now I want to do now for this video. Now the first way you need to do first of all is say if you never get logo before, maybe this plus icon over here. This plus icon. Now you can go bring the Mr. Biggs logo where you want use. Bring come inside this video. But now me already get my Mr. Biggs logo for you. My content now make a maybe more realistic. And if you want the first thing I want before we start doing this logo now because we'll tap the logo, we'll go over to this image editing section side now. We'll come to the work now. So the put in this color. Now we'll tap and we'll come out the color we need. Now be the first part we want to do for the video now. Now we'll on them automatically they'll come out white for us. We know when they come out white for us first. So we'll tap this dropper icon right over here. So where they put this dropper be like by we'll tap and we'll come out for us. So we'll choose here. We don't come out that particular part of red now for us if one minute color red. So any color 1 minute come out, the color will come out for us. Now go choose color 1 minute come out now for any particular video. Understand? So if we want come out red, I'm going to see for example come out white, no click white, we'll just go over white. We'll just go over to white, no click white. Now they don't come out all the white, more increase tolerance. So anyone who want more they come out will come out and wear like that. So we don't come out the whites now what we don't need. Move come out the white, we'll leave the rest now for you. We'll still come out more as they come or they come out from again they go, they come out from again they go. And if you want to do if you get option, if you go up and go on color, if you want on the color, if you on up, but if you want color, everything where the also go change, no make sense. No off color, more leave like this as it will be like this. So and if you want to start from over here, so if you want to do next, now we'll still go back to this our erase color. And we'll please go the put plus. Now for this plus, you'll give us you see number 2 for here. Now we'll tap this drop icon right there. We'll tap and we'll punch the next color won't come out, no come out red. Now include the tolerance, make the red come out where. You see I say if the red come out, the other ones where they with will come out, which is be like say this one to do with the red. You see the Mr. Biggs will come like say come out the red pata. Once the red dry come out, the rest will come out. You understand? And also we want make the Mr. Biggs show. So what if we do now for this thing? If we come out this red, if we know we'll come out the red. You understand? So we'll check I go take go like this now. You understand? Now we'll move on. The next thing we want to do now quick be say we'll not waste our time. We'll go over to this place right there. We'll bring in for it. So we'll bring that image come. The image one we can look realistic. We'll go where we keep image. We'll go bring that image come sharp. Now I get this image over here of this wood one I want to use. So now we'll make the wood make big. We'll make sure the wood use the full size. We'll go over to the put relative size. We'll make sure say the width and the height they 100. Now we'll position for center where make sure say this center. Now what I want to do now next to be say move and come back. Okay, so you go to see what me they see. So now this stage now we just do like this. So for here, what if we do next? Now we'll check. Now what I want to do next quickly will be say if it don't make sense for you, when you observe me closely, I'll click this layer too. Now I measure both of them together first. Man, see I want to go. But first, I make sure say this one this center. I make sure say this one on this center. I put for center for middle. I can go over here. This layer two. I mesh 2 of them together now. Now if we mesh 2 of them together now, the next one we want to do now, no hard. We'll check. We'll go over to the place. Still put erase color. We'll hit them again. We'll on now. Now this one we on. We'll choose the color picker. We'll put you to one come out. So say this thing don't come out now. The B don't come out. Just see and the B don't come out now. If we increase the tolerance, so the B will come out pattern. So the B don't come out now. More we still press plus again. More press that we can more choose red. You see I say red now don't come out too. But you see I say when red come out, you see the big box where it leave behind. You see I say red don't come out now. If we still increase the tolerance, make the red come out pattern. You see now say red don't come out, many of the colors don't come out. Now if you click this plus again now, can't choose black. Most see what you go when black come out. So now say black to dusty come out. Understand? But more click the minus, make the black to come out. Mostly click the minus again, make the red still show. So now this only this yellow now we get me come out. But I click plus, I click this other one. I guess more yellow where they see one no one see. So more just come out the yellow somehow. More shiny. You see so that orange color. More fine and come out and more come out. So just try near. Okay, I don't get that. So maybe this one gonna come out. Dey too much. Okay, I don't check about that one. So if you don't dey okay with what you don't do, you don't dey okay like that. So we don't feel make am make dey realistic. Now we'll leave the red and the black because now that one they know already for Mr. Big so but we don't come out the white, come out black. Now what you want to now more add background. So go over to this background side, the last part of the year. So we'll hit from gallery. Now when we hit from gallery, we'll go with image, we'll go bring in another background now come. Okay, I get this image over here of this wood, more on am. So you see, and so we don't add them join. So you see, you call the even more realistic now we add them. So we get this Mr. Biggs like this, so with everything ready. But now the question could be say this word Italy, it makes sense join everything what we give them. Just say it makes sense. Now if this word no make sense join the original background that we give them. Now we fit get option to change the background as we want them. You understand? Sorry about that one. We fit get option to change the background. I want change the background. For example now, if you see tap here again, if you choose from gallery, go put another image color what we want if you don't want this color. So now if you tap on this video, now how we don't do this video, now we'll go back to the last part, we'll go over to this video put emboss now, we'll see I go look, now we'll go reduce the bevel, and we'll make sure say the intensity and specular and everything they are, we'll just increase the bevel small, we'll to give a bevel, now we'll increase the lightning where they, we'll increase the intensity, we still reduce the size so one reduce the specular hardness small. So if you just decide to just do them as you want them, if you reduce them or if you increase them, then you now the lightning and you still know where you want position the lightning put. So also if you go over to shadow, we'll see on if you still on shadow if we want. Now if we reduce the blurry just for shadow, if you just make them more realistic, we'll just add small shadow give them if we want. If you don't want to give them shadow, now still our option to check if shadow will make sense for him or if shadow no go make sense. You just still check by yourself. So all these ones are just small designs what we need to just do to make sure say the thing just dey realistic on its own. So might just put the shadow back for 17 and 19. We'll just position and way back at the first 30 day. We'll just position and way back. We'll put this one 2 for 1. Okay. Okay, if you just leave that one now like that. So if you go over to 3D shape, so if you decide say want make a 3D shape, we go reduce the depth. I'll make sure say we darken and well, so it go fit and everything now call the commas, call it make sense small. So now all these small things now if you still do, but don't forget if you go change the background, I want change the background like now I'm gonna go over here, go change my background again. If that one go make sense past this one. Now if you don't do these things finish, if you just go press over here, may you save them, may you continue with your design. So I'm just trying to say we get different color of images where they daniels what if you still use, you understand? But the one where you know say it could make sense. I feel still say I won't go with this one where do here now. If you want all these images, all this color, this texture, I feel add them join for you. We'll go the inside, but just comment if you need them. So go add them for you. Now you just be this one sharp. So if you still decide to use this one, if you feel this one go make sense or go with them, you understand? So if you play around with anyone where you want to use. So now be that for this video, don't forget say you need to save them. You press up here to hit save. So we hit save as image. Now move this one as image. We'll make sure say our quality there for ultra, then we'll hit save to gallery. So now in between for this video, also now for the next video. But if you learn new thing for this video, you know say the video makes sense and make sure say you come again, you go miss one, go make new video. Don't forget say majority your video we try do one sharp again and I'll soon again for the next video. Your PA don't come.